Hey everyone, it's Donald. I hope you guys are all having a great day. So I just want to give a quick update. The MRE size Mylar bags are now in stock. So these are on the website. I want to say these are $10.99 for a 10 pack. They come with 300 cc oxygen absorbers. There's 10 in the small pack, 10 bags. So we also moved some other stuff to smaller sizes. So everything on the website is now 10 packs. We lowered the prices down. I couldn't find anything cheaper online that I could find that were this quality for sure. I did find some stuff that's like 3.5 mil thickness on one side, but these are 7 mil, so they're really not comparable at all. So we now have those on the website. We lowered free shipping. As long as you spend $50 on the website, everything else will be free shipping. Other than that, I think it's like $8 for shipping on anything lower than that. We're still planning on shipping everything FedEx today, which has worked very, very well for us. So that's kind of the update we have today. Is we're getting these Mylar bags in stock. I have some clear ones coming in as well. Those are going to be for a 10 pack with oxygen absorbers. They will be $10. So about $1 a bag, but that's with your oxygen absorber, everything. And I really like that the packs or the oxygen absorbers are 10 packs. Just due to the fact that you're gonna probably use that 10. Not a lot of people are using more than 10 bags any given time. So if you guys want, and somebody gave us this idea. We had actually a couple emails asking us about smaller packages of these. So if you guys have like an idea or anything like that, please shoot us an email. I did manage to get a phone. I need to figure out what the phone number is. I don't have it handy on me. And then we did move from free support to, I think I put like $10 on the website. Okay. It's not meant as like making a bunch of money, nothing like that. Really what was happening is with the free stuff, I was getting a bunch of emails and some people would put their phone number, but as soon as I call the phone number, it was disconnected. I would never receive an email back. So I really felt like it was just a bunch of spammers that were just spamming my email box, because some of the people were like 3, 4, 5 times ordering the stuff. And I would send an email, I'd send a text, I'd try calling, and something would happen. So in turn, I was like, hey, I'm tired of spending my time doing this. So that's kind of what the change was we made. So, but if you guys have any other questions at all, please let us know. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll talk soon.